Today we will be starting adjectives and kinds of adjectives. So what do you mean by adjectives? Anyone who knows the answer of adjectives? Adjectives are the words which describe noun or pronoun. Are the words which describe noun or pronoun. So adjective, everyone knows the definition of adjective. Now we will start with the kinds of adjective. So the first kind of adjective is adjective of quality. किसी भी sentence में if you want to see where which one is the adjective, you have to look for the kind. Okay, so there are different kinds of adjectives and kinds of adjectives, and this is the first one, which is the adjective of quality. So adjective of quality means they describe the kind. They describe the kind. वो कैसा है? किसी भी sentence अगर कोई sentence में adjective ढूंढना है तो first you have to look for the kind. जैसे बड़ा है, छोटा है. Okay, so they describe the kind, big, small, large, quality of a person, animal or place. This is the first kind of adjective, that is quality. Okay. Second is adjective of quantity. कितना है वो? ठीक है, कम है, ज़्यादा है, तो मात्रा. So they describe how much. Kinds of adjective of quantity means how much. इसके example होंगे like little, some, all, any. Okay?
Yes.
Now the third one is adjectives of number. Adjectives of
Number.
मतलब कितने, how many. तो इसके example होंगे adjectives of number में it indicates how many. इसके example है one, many, few, first, एक, कुछ, बहुत. Next is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjectives mean जो demonstrate करता है. These are the words used in place of article to indicate a specific noun. किसी भी specific noun को indicate करने के लिए हम किस adjective का use करते हैं? Demonstrative adjective. For example, इसकी example है this, that, these, those. Okay? Next है distributive adjective. Distribute करना मतलब बहुत सारे में से कुछ distribute करना. So distributive adjectives are they denote one thing or person out of many, out of a group or a class. इसके example होंगे each, like each of you have to do this homework. Each, ठीक है? तो ये distributive adjective हुआ. Next is interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective मतलब हम जब question पूछते हैं, where is your home? What do you want? How are you? So interrogative में this interrogative adjective means to ask question. Okay, इसके example आप खुद लिख सकते हैं where, what, how. Next is possessive. Possessive adjective मतलब possession को describe करता है like mine, your, their. Understood all of you?
Yes.
समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
So adjective means which describe noun or pronoun और उसकी kinds है. Whenever there is a question for this, like you have to identify the adjective, you have to look for these kind. If there is any of the kind is present there, you have to underline those adjectives.